What if I told you some of the happiest people online aren't online at all? No Instagram, no TikTok, no Snapchat, sometimes not even Facebook. While millions of people spend hours scrolling every day, they choose to stay completely away from social media. Psychology says this isn't always because they dislike technology. There are deeper reasons behind it. 1. They value real life experiences more than online attention. For some people, an experience feels complete without posting it. A vacation, a celebration, a quiet moment with friends. Psychologically, they find satisfaction in living the moment itself, not in sharing it with an audience. The memory is enough. 2. They protect their mental space. Social media delivers a constant stream of information: photos, videos, news, opinions. The brain has to process all of it. Some people recognize how mentally draining this can become, so they limit or completely avoid social media to reduce mental overload. 3. They compare themselves less to others. Psychology shows that people naturally compare themselves to those around them. Social media provides endless opportunities to do exactly that: careers, relationships, appearance, lifestyle. Some people step away because they know constant comparison affects their peace of mind. 4. They prefer private relationships. Not everyone enjoys sharing personal moments publicly. Some people believe that meaningful friendships and relationships don't need an online audience. They would rather call someone, meet in person, or have a private conversation. For them, connection feels more genuine offline than online. 5. They don't measure their worth. Through visibility, social media often rewards visibility. More followers, more likes, more attention. But psychology suggests that some people place their self-worth somewhere else. Their confidence comes from their values, relationships, or personal goals, not from online recognition. As a result, they feel little need to maintain a social media presence. Not using social media doesn't automatically make someone happier or more productive. And using social media doesn't automatically make someone shallow. Psychology simply shows that people seek fulfillment in different ways. For some, the digital world feels exciting. For others, real life is more than enough. If you enjoy learning the hidden psychology behind everyday human behavior, subscribe to the channel. Because once you understand the invisible reasons behind people's everyday choices, you start seeing the human mind in ways most people never do.